Alrighty, guys, we're going to go over three stocks that I'm looking at right now heading into this week, which I'm pumped about this week, guys. We have a lot of companies reporting earnings, and in the second half of July here, a lot of the big tech names are reporting. We had, of course, the banks report on Friday, some of the banks at least, some of the biggest banks, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Citigroup. So in this video, I want to break down three other stocks that I'm looking at heading into this week. Actually, one of them is reporting earnings on Wednesday, so let's just dive into it. If you all find value, hit the like button and feel free to subscribe. It's completely free to do that. We're almost at 30,000 subs, guys, so make sure to subscribe and get your free money from Moomoo. Link down below. We'll talk more about that later. And with that being said, let's dive right into it. So like I said, guys, in the second half of this month, we have a lot going on from earnings, big tech. We just had the CPI data come out on Wednesday, which ended up showing inflation slowing down. The CPI number came in at 3%, which came in lower than the 3.1% expected. You guys probably saw that. That's good news. And I think core CPI, which excludes food and energy, was right around 4.8%. So that's, being a little bit more stubborn. But yeah, there's a lot going on right now, guys. So let's just dive into it. Let's break down these tickers, the charts, my thoughts, key levels that I'm looking at. So the first one is none other than Tesla, guys. Ticker symbol TSLA, which this one, newsflash, is the one that's reporting earnings on Wednesday. So we have Tesla in a clear ascending triangle here on this time frame, which is, what is this? The 20-day 1 hour chart. Yeah, 20-day 1 hour chart, and there's a freaking hair in my mouth. My dog's hair. She actually got a haircut today. They're probably all over my shirt. Either way, guys, Tesla, we have that ascending triangle, and on Friday, the stock went up 1.2%. Pretty good day for Tesla. We actually hit 285.30 on Friday, which we slightly took out the highs from earlier in July and from the middle end of June, which we peaked out at about 280 to about 283. So this looks good. And is the ascending triangle fully playing out yet? No, but it could be this week with earnings coming up on Wednesday. You guys know how Tesla trades. It's a hype stock. Let's be honest here. I feel like we might even rally into earnings, which I believe they're after the bell. Yeah, they're always after the bell. On Wednesday. Yeah, let me double check though. Yeah, after the bell on the 19th. So in my opinion, guys, and I'm not guaranteeing this, nothing's guaranteed. Please trade at your own risk. But I think we could break out heading into earnings. Then we'll see what happens, obviously, after the numbers end up coming out. But this looks really good. And do you guys remember the call-outs that I made? I think it was 2 days ago, 3 days ago, whenever it was, on Shopify. And I think it was NVIDIA, right? Both of those were in ascending triangles, and both of those ended up playing out. You guys can see here, if I pull up Shopify, that ended up breaking out. We called this out. You guys probably remember. And so did NVIDIA, which you guys can see is completely breaking out. And we hit 490 after that call out, which is why you guys have to subscribe again. It is free to do so, completely free of charge. So Tesla on Wednesday is a big one that I'm looking at. Super pumped about it. And we also have Netflix on Wednesday. A little side note, this is not part of this video, but this is also one that I'm looking at on Wednesday reporting. Then later in the month, we have companies like, Apple, I believe, are they in July or early August? Let's see here. They're actually early August. But either way, in the next couple of weeks, a lot of companies are reporting. Microsoft, Alphabet, you name it, Meta. It's going to be interesting to say the least. And I believe, on another side note, Microsoft just had an upgrade. I believe we got an upgrade on Microsoft from some analyst. I forget exactly who it was. Either way, the stock's now breaking out. This is another one I guess we could throw in this video, a little bonus one. It wasn't planned for this video, but look, we're breaking out of the wedge, looking nice. Today the stock went up, on Friday about 0.75%. We're breaking out of the wedge. Looks like it's starting to head towards 350, which was the high, actually 352 to be exact, from the middle of June. So Microsoft's looking pretty good if you ask me. And the next stock, which is actually on the list for this video, guys, enough of these little side tangents, is Molina Healthcare, which went up 3% on Friday. And this company actually reports earnings in July as well, later on in July. So this one's at a big spot right now at about $305, which you guys can see on the 4-hour chart. We failed there pretty much religiously since the middle of April. You know, we failed there, here. We failed there, here, and multiple times over the course of July already. So I think MOH is the ticker, guys. This could be playing out pretty nicely. We'll see. Of course, again, nothing's guaranteed, but I'll set my alert at 305 right now, which is that high from the past couple of months, and we'll see if it could break out of there. If it does, maybe 315 could be next. Maybe we could start making a move towards 340, mid 300s. We'll see. I mean, we're only at 298 now, 300, so baby steps, guys. Let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. And the last stock on the list for today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is VRTX. Let me pull it up and show you guys. What's this one called again? Vertex, right? Yeah, Vertex Pharmaceutical. It went up 1% on Friday, and you guys see what this is right here. This is an ascending triangle, like a lot of the ones that we've seen recently are. Again, Tesla, ascending triangle, Nvidia and Shopify, which we called those out. Like I said, those played out. Those were ascending triangles. So I'm looking at all these, and of course, they're not all going to play out. That's impossible. Not everything plays out according to plan. But in this case, it looks like it went up over 1% on Friday. We're clearly starting to make a move to the mid 350s again, which you guys can see that's been the resistance since the beginning of May, it seems like. So if we do take that out, I think a breakout is around the corner. No joke. I mean, that's at least my opinion. I'll set my alert at 356. Let me do that now. And they report earnings, I believe, on the 1st of August. Okay, so in a couple of weeks here, they're set to report, which I'm looking forward to that. So those are a couple of names that I'm looking at right now, guys. Vertex Pharmaceutical, VRTX. MOH is another one that I'm looking at, which, again, let me pull it up and show you guys. That one's pretty close to breaking out. And, of course, Tesla, which everybody should be watching heading into this week. I have a feeling, I could be wrong, I don't know. But, this could be breaking out towards 300, at least in my humble opinion, guys. And I'd love to know your thoughts, as always, down below in the comments. So with that being said, I'm going to slowly wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stocks Talks Money, which I'm actually doing a $100 giveaway once we hit 1,000 subs. So make sure to subscribe to Stocks Talks Money, link down below. And guys, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo as well, up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. All you guys have to do is use that link down below. Simply open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000 right off the bat. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, each up to $2,000. And the best part of the promo, which you only have another day to do this, if you fund your account at least $5,000, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, which again, the clock's ticking, guys. Today and tomorrow are your last 2 days. So use that link down below. And of course, it's an affiliate link, full disclosure. It helps out the channel, and I appreciate you guys as always. Seriously, without you guys, this channel would not be possible. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video, and I'm going to go off and enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day as well. And I guess with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.